Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. If you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP USD, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBP USD in front of us right now. If you have watched my other videos, previous videos on GBP USD, then you know it very well that I have been talking very negative on GBP USD because I was not seeing any proper trading opportunities on the chart. And yes, the chart of GBP USD was not very much promising to me. Okay, so right now you can see that GBP USD is standing at 1.3200 and we have a minor support here, and the importance of this minor support is that if we go to the weekly chart and here at this particular level we have a minor support, not a very strong one. Yes, keep in mind this is not a very strong support, but this is a minor support from the weekly chart. As a result, GBP USD is trying to take support at this particular level, but can we trust this level? It Yes, we can trust this level, but trusting this level is risky. Why risky? Let me tell you. If you go to the chart of DXY US dollar, then we see an ascending triangle pattern here. And overall, what is the trend of the market? The trend of DXY is extremely bullish. As we all know, DXY is in uptrend for quite some time. For the last couple of days, DXY was in sideways. Okay, this is a sideways market, but if we just focus or if we just carefully look at this particular portion of the chart here, then there should not be any doubt that market is still very bullish. Why? Though we have a resistance at the top, but whenever market is coming down, it is not breaking the previous lows. Market is constantly forming higher lows, which clearly signifies that buyers are still present in the market and their intention to take the price upward, to take the market upward. DXY is standing at the resistance. Resistance is a place of sellers, but still buyers have not surrendered yet. They are still trying their best to take the price upward. And in a market scenario like this, whenever we see an ascending triangle pattern, generally we see market breaking the resistance and going up. Maybe it will come down again, but at one point of time there is a good possibility of GBP USD breaking the resistance and going up. If it happens, if DXY gets bullish again, then GBP USD will go down. GBP USD will start going down again. That can be very risky for us. So if you want to take risk, if you have been trading for some time, quite for a considerable amount of time, then yes, you can take the risk here by taking a buy position with proper stop loss below this particular level. Okay, with a stop loss of around 60 pips you can take a buy position. But if you are very much new to the market, if you have been trading for last couple of weeks only, 1 or 2 months, then this is not a good trade for you, my dear friend. Because see, there are multiple opportunities in the market, then why you should be risking your hard-earned money on a chart that you do not even understand properly? And moreover, we do not have a strong support also here, then there is no logic here. So you can take a buy position at this particular level if you are an experienced trader. Otherwise, again I'll say that beginners, new traders should avoid GBP USD right now. But just keep in mind, in case we see some heavy selling, okay, in case we see fresh selling on GBP USD chart, if you see market breaking the support and going down with a big red candle, then you can take a sell position. Yes, just make sure that you have waited for 3 to 4 hours. Why the waiting period is important? Because if market breaks the level, okay, if market breaks the level, that means the support should become the resistance, isn't it? And for the confirmation of support becoming the resistance, we need a waiting period of around 3 to 4 hours in forex market. So that is the best option. But right now, just wait and watch. If you want to buy, that's completely your decision, but this is a high risk trade because the support is not a very strong one. Okay, and my dear friends, this is the main reason of introducing the Pro Trader program, because I share the best trading opportunities in the market. Plus, I also provide one or two signals each and every day. Apart from trading opportunity signals, we also do many things. If you are interested about the Pro Trader program, in knowing about the Pro Trader program, just go to my website. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find all the information. So hopefully you like it. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.